Hello viewer, this is Krishna sir. In this video, I am going to solve the second bit of first problem of exercise 2.2 from the NCERT textbook. So let us see the second bit of first problem. So in the second bit of first problem, like in the earlier problem, we have been given a quadratic polynomial. So we need to find the zeros of the polynomial and then we need to verify the relationship between the zeros and the quotients of the given polynomial. So let us solve this. So the given quadratic polynomial is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So what I will do is, I will compare this given quadratic polynomial with the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. We know that the standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So when you compare the given quadratic polynomial with the standard form of the quadratic polynomial, we will get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. So now let us find the value of a into c. So a into c is equal to 4 into 1. This is equal to 4. So we are getting a into c is equal to 4. Now we have to select two factors of 4 in such a way that on adding those two factors we should get the value of b. So the b value is minus 4. So when we add the two factors of 4, we should get the value as equal to minus 4. So I will write this 4 as 4 is equal to minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to plus 4. And if I add minus 2 and minus 2, minus 2 plus minus 2. So this is equal to minus 4. So when I am adding minus 2 with minus 2, I am getting minus 4, which is nothing but the value of b. So what I will do is, I will write the given quadratic polynomial as 4x square. So this minus 4x, I will write it as minus 2x minus 2x. So minus 2x is nothing but minus 4x. So plus 1. So this is equal to, if I take 2x common, 2x if I take common, I will be left with 2x minus 1. So see here, 2x into 2x is 4x square, 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. In the same way, if I take minus 1 common, I will get 2x minus 1. So minus 1 into 2x is minus 2x, minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So I am getting 2x minus 1 at both the places. So I can take 2x minus 1 common. If I take 2x minus 1 common, I will be left with 2x, another 2x minus 1. So we are getting 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So the given quadratic polynomial 4x square minus 4x plus 1, this can be written as equal to 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. Now, if this quadratic polynomial, if it has to be equal to 0, then 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 will also be equal to 0. So, if this quadratic polynomial 4x square minus 4x plus 1, if this is equal to 0, then 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 should be equal to 0. If 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1, if it is equal to 0, then 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or another 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then, so see here on the left side of the equal to sign I have minus 1. If I take this minus 1 to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become plus 1. So 2x is equal to plus 1. Or, so see here 2 is multiplying x. If I take this 2 to the other side of the equal to sign, it will divide. Or x is equal to 1 by 2. So we are getting 1 0 as 1 by 2. In the same way, if you solve the other one, that is other 2x minus 1, even then we will get the value of x as equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, the zeros. So therefore, the zeros of the given polynomial are nothing but equal to 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. So we solve the first part of the question. That is, we found the zeros of the given polynomial. Now we need to verify the relationship between the zeros of the polynomial and the quotients of the given polynomial. Now let us find sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 2 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 1. So this one I can write it as equal to 4 by 4. So 1 by 1 I will write it as 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but equal to 1 by 1. Now this 4 I will write it as equal to minus of minus 4 by 4. Minus of minus 4 is nothing but plus 4. So I will get 4 by 4. So this 4 by 4 I am writing it as minus of minus 4 by 4. So this is equal to, what is minus 4? Minus 4 is nothing but equal to b. So I will get, in place of minus 4 I will write b. So minus b by, what is plus 4? Plus 4 is nothing but the value of a. So this is nothing but equal to minus b by a. So sum of the zeros we are getting it as equal to minus b by a. Now the product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 4. So this is equal to, what is 1? 1 is nothing but the value of c. So this is equal to c by, in the denominator we have 4. What is 4? 4 is nothing but the value of a. So this is 4, in the place of 4 I will write it as a. So the sum of zeros we are getting it as minus b by a, and the product of zeros we are getting it as equal to c by a. This verifies the relationship between the quotients of the polynomial and the zeros of the polynomial. So this is how these kind of problems should be solved.